Are you going for the driving test in New South Wales? Then you must be aware of the confusing right turn signs. There are traffic lights on the medium traffic roads, which could be very confusing for few of the drivers, and majority of the people fail on these kind of confusing traffic lights. So let's see how good you have knowledge about these kind of traffic lights. Please watch this video and make sure that you don't do this kind of mistake, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. All lights red, which means you can't take left, you can't go straight, you can't turn right. This light is red and with the right green arrow, which means you can't take left, you can't go straight, but you can turn right. No need to give way. This is the confusing light, so it is a green only, there is no light in the right green arrow, so which means you can take left, you can go straight, there is no issue, but when you are turning right, you need to give way to the traffic coming from the front side. This is the point where people are confused in the driving test. Don't do this kind of silly mistake and fail in the driving test. Again, all lights are red. It means you can't go left, you can't go straight, you can't take right turn. This light means you can go left, you can go straight, but you can't turn right. Now right red arrow is off, so you can take right, but you have to give way to the traffic coming from the front side. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and good luck for your driving test.